was out here at my uncle's pond. He's got about a 10-acre pond here. We used to fish this pond a lot when we was a kid. It's been a little while since I've been out here, but I'll start coming back, doing a lot more fishing now. A lot of resources out here. At the time, everything wasn't the way it is now, but I know that's pretty much everywhere. But this would be a good little survival area right here. Good little retreat. There's a big spillway right over levee there, and there's a lot of deer around here. Plenty of fish. I caught about a 9.5 pound bass out of here when I was younger. There's plenty of white perch, brim. Let my nephew do a little bit of fishing out here today. I'm gonna do a little fishing myself, but thought I'd shoot a little bit of video of this area. I think he has quite as much property as he used to have, but I still think he's got about 600, 700, 800 acres, something like that out here. He used to have about 1,000 acres land. It just goes over that hill and just forever, but if I get a chance to get over that levee, I'll take some more footage. But I have a lot of trouble with beavers right over there. A lot of beaver, well, neutral rats for sure, but I think there's a few beavers around here. But anyway, thought I'd shoot a little quick video and let's see if we can catch us some fish. Get off here and grab a hook and sinker and see what I can do. Yeah, boy, we got a bunch of little old small fresh spawning bass in here. You can see how little that one is. Just caught him on a little old beetle spin, but I'm gonna throw him on back, Cody, so he can grow up and get a little bigger.
Somebody else might catch him someday.
Yep.
Well, today I was fishing over here with my uncle, and well, I was over here, and my uncle thought that he'd caught there was a big old fish, and I finally got it, and he was quite kind of wrong. It's just a little bitty old brim over here that I caught. Well, see y'all later if I'm ever on another video. Bye.
All right, catch another one.
See you later.
Look at them birds fighting.
That should be entertaining.
Yeah, they're getting after it.
By the way, my worm's fine. Well, after I just caught this one, my uncle threw me another thing out there, and guess what? A few minutes later, it started bobbing, and then when I yanked, this thing was tough, you know? That thing was going, just like this, going. That thing was going, except it kind of got him right here inside his gills. Catfish! It's a catfish! Look at that big old catfish I got.
Oh, you sure did. Starting to get catfish now. Well, reel him up to your cork.
Well, today I was just fishing, and then all of a sudden this thing gave up quite a fight. Except this one, he's pretty. You see those little bitty blue stripes around him? Oh man, he's kind of flouncy. I can't hardly grab onto him once he flounces. He's kind of hard to grab onto. I'm just gonna grab him by the mouth. You see a little bitty blue, beautiful stripes on him. I just caught him, and then you kind of pulled him inside the sun. You see how his scales kind of turn blue? At first there, I thought he was a giant bass. So I'll see y'all later.
I'm gonna back up a little bit and I can get you in camera.
And if you want to see me some more, go to Mid-South Outdoors. See y'all.
Getting a bite.
I think he kind of got it away.
There he goes. Get ready.
Oh. I got it. Oh. He was big.
Any more worm left on your hook?
Yeah, I got a whole lot more worms.
Okay, see if you can try him again. Uh-oh. Try it again. Gotta aim up a little bit.
Yep. There we are. Thinking that's a blue. Thinking these are things by me. But if we go dancing, if we do dance, you know, friend of mine. Whoa, thinking dance. Everybody raise your hand.
Like you're getting a bite.
Thinking dance. Everybody raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand. Raise your feet, if you can. Whoa.
Get ready. He's jerking too hard.
Sorry.
I'm gonna try to get one on camera real quick, but
We're about to go.
yep.
Whoever is watching this, amen, yaman. Well, this is kind of embarrassing. Okay, I got my line untangled. You can get back on me.
Make a few more throws, and I guess we're gonna wrap it up. Well, it sure is pretty out here when the sun starts going down. Seems like the fish is gonna start biting now. Just went down a little bit, but let's sit out here and watch the birds fly across the lake and the planes flying up in the sky. I remember long years ago, it's probably been over 20 years ago, so we used to fish out here, and there used to be a bald eagle that would fly across here, and you'd hear him just a screaming, and he'd dip down, and you'd see him hit out there in the middle of the water, and he'd get him a fish and come up with it when nobody else was catching anything. But it's been a while ago. But this water's up a little bit right now. Got a little spillway right over there. Runs over the levee, and you can catch quite a few fish right there. It's just kind of growed up. I don't think nobody hardly fishes over there anymore. We just mostly have family members that fish in here. But I'd shoot a little bit more video, but we're probably going to try to come back tomorrow. And there was some good duck hunting across the pond over there. Might try to get into some ducks next year. It's full of jets up in the sky today. But anyway, I'll try to do a little bit more fishing here before we gotta leave. I'm out.
Oh yeah, and by the way, have patience and do not get your hook tangled up.